Hey guys, as you can see, this is the laundry room, and my husband repainted the wall because there's a lot of, you know, ugly spot.
Markups and stuff. Yeah.
Marks up.
Yeah, they're going to be putting a new floor in.
So they're gonna put a new floor, and where's the sample of that floor? We will show you later, guys. So this is the color in the round laundry room. It's the same, we didn't change. And then I'm gonna take a look upstairs. What's the progress over there? So continue painting, baby. That looks great.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye. So as you can see, there's a difference between that and that one. See? So it's quite similar. So they're starting putting the carpet now. But this one is a little bit darker than the other one. But I like the pattern because you can see all the pattern here. He's cutting over there and over there. It's really cool. Looks very nice. Hey guys, look. They're cutting all the, you know, carpet right there. So we're changing it right now. And we're changing a new, we're gonna change a new one. And it's the way they do it. So he's cutting the carpet. Look at that, guys. That's the way they do it. So my husband is over here.
Nice,
Isn't it cool? Gone. So this is, you know, the master bedroom, and we're gonna change the color here and also the carpet. So we're gonna put a new one, and that's what he's doing right now. He's cutting every edge of it. So this carpet is gonna be trash. See? See that? Ooh. So it's very important, you know, you properly install the carpet, because this carpet, guys, is not really old, but the people install of this carpet is not really good.
Do it right.
They're not doing it right. They didn't stretch it right.
Stretch,
yeah. What do you call it?
Power stretch.
Power
Oh, is
stretching.
that the seam? Mm-hmm. That's the seam, okay. That's where they seam two pieces together.
Oh, really?
Okay.
There.
Yep. All right.
Huh.
I'm gonna bring this downstairs.
It's very cool. And we will show you guys the new carpet that we're gonna put in. It's quite, you know, very similar, you know, pattern, but it's a big, you know, diamond. I don't know what you call that kind of pattern. My husband know about it, and we both agree, you know, the design of it. So that's cool. Huh. What you gonna do, you know, with this old thing? Are you gonna put that in the trash? No? He has no idea. Okay, that's fine. Are you gonna go here? Okay. Oh, they're cutting over there. Wow. Look at that, guys. And he's rolling it right now. Look what he does. Huh. That's pretty neat. Wow, that's cool. So right now, guys, I cannot say that the house is entire mess. We put all, they transfer all the furniture, and look at this, you know. Furniture, it's huge. There's 2 roller carpet here now. Go. That's pretty sharp. That knife, really sharp. Yeah. Babe, they're putting the thing now. Oh, they're removing. What is this one? The insert? Insert?
Padding. There's a pad.
They're putting the. They're moving the padding, and then, you know, they're gonna change that the other one.
Yeah, they gotta take all these things up here. All these have to get removed.
Oh, they're gonna vacuum that for sure. That's the padding.
Ajá. Pues muéstrala. No estaba, la madera estaba rayada de por sí ya. Sí.
We have a vacuum too. Are you gonna use our vacuum?
Es que lo que pasa es que ahí cortaron ellos. Hago con la plancha.
So they're stretching the carpet right now.
Ahí está.
Oh, look at that. So guys, let's see. So guys, they started putting the new carpet right there. See, did you see the difference between that? That's the old one right there, and then that's the new one. And they're sweeping over there. And then that's the padding underneath the carpet. You gotta put that underneath the carpet. So this is the old one, and that's the new one. So we upgrade, you know, the master bedroom so that it looks nice. And then this coming Wednesday, they're gonna do the entire, you know, bedroom. They're gonna repaint it. So I choose the butter up color, and I think that's gonna look pretty inside the room, because if you have a little darker rug, you need something a lighter color. So that's gonna be cool. Guys, I have the emerald paint and it's white, and then here in that corner, the show molding, I need to paint it. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing here, and let's go together. So here's what you're gonna do right there, guys. And I'm trying to help my husband because there is a lot of things to do here in the house. Hi. Right there. You need to put an amount of paint. So this shoe molding in the bottom part here, you don't need to paint this because, you know, we're gonna put a new one, and it's already painted, and it's already, you know, in the garage, and we're gonna put that later because the guys upstairs, they're putting the carpet, and then after that, when they're done, we're gonna remove the entire, you know, wood floor here in the laundry room because, you know, it's not really good, but guys, because, you know, the water leaks over there and it goes to this, you know, wood floor, and it ruin, you know, the laminate of this, you know, wood floor, because it's not a real wood floor, you know what I mean? And we're gonna put, I don't know, it's kind of a ceramic tile. I'm not sure. My husband knows about it, but it's a beautiful tile. I'll show you later. There's a little bit of pattern in it. So guys, when you taking care of the house, it will increase the value of the house. So it's good, when you renovate and then, clean up your mess and then upgrade the house, and then, so that the house looks very good. There you go. I'm cleaning it right now. You need to put more paint this corner. Hi guys. Okay. Did you see that right there? See? Okay. I'm here in the laundry room and that's the kitchen in the back. So let's do more painting. So guys, here they're covering all the thing here now. So this is gonna be the old paint, and then you can see the after finish. So that's kind of a golden yellow, which is I don't like it, and they're gonna change that into silver swap. I think it's like a grayish bluish color. So they're gonna paint the top and they're gonna paint the wall. So this is before and after, guys. So I will show you the finish for this one. Okay guys, yeah. Not done. These are the furnitures in the middle of covering it.
Really?
Yeah. So these are the master bedroom, guys. They're almost done. There's still more spot that needs to be, you know, touched up. That's the color of the ceiling and that's the color of the wall. See?